it's flying away.
Oh, goodbye. Oh, man.
Oh, no.
It's gone.
Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye, and we're the RC Sailors. There's a honeybee chasing us right now. I have Mountain Dew breath.
Oh, geez.
We're at the airfield with another Attop drone. The last one we had, we called the Attop A25 steak sauce drone, and it was a massive fail. This one is the Attop A25. This guy comes in around $35, which is a great price. And Popeye's excited to chase it. Now, it's kind of funny. This one on the box, the A25, is it's just covered. It's absolutely covered in a foreign language on the box, and it's even called The Foreign. The Foreign on the box, it says it right there. Pretty crazy. Now it's a cheap drone, I don't expect much, but the instructions were completely non-existent. Here's the dedicated transmitter. Thank goodness it does come with one of those. It's not a phone-controlled drone. And then here's the drone itself. Simple, lightweight, and let Popeye go run around. He's excited to chase it. This is non-altitude hold. I think it's supposed to be a Wi-Fi FPV drone, but it didn't indicate that anywhere at all on here. Maybe we just plug the camera in, and it does have a micro SD card in there that it came with. It's weird, there's a little micro USB on the back. It's just a very weird setup. This is either going to be a letdown, as I expect it to be, or surprisingly awesome. So I think we should just get it in the air and see how it does. It comes with these giant prop guards that we're not going to use. It comes with 2 spare props that are just basic and bland. These are cool. They have little stripes on them. They're different colors. But if you break one of those or lose one, you're stuck with those. It has a screwdriver in there, spare screws, and a USB charge cable for the battery. The battery was interesting. I'll show you that before we fly it. Very difficult to get this out of here. Okay, you have to pull down on this little lever and then pull out on the battery. It is very proprietary, and a little charge cable plugs in right there. I didn't
they didn't get to see it. You kept moving it around.
That little hole there. That's where the charge cable plugs in.
Okay.
Not a huge fan of that, but I do like how easy it is to install. Okay, well, little toy grade drone. I promise very soon on the future we're going to try to get a GPS brushless drone out. So if you're watching this video and you're like, what's going on with all these toy grade drones? Tomorrow or within the next couple days, we're going to get out here with a nice GPS drone for you. So let's fly this and see how it does. All right, we're bound up. We're taking off from the cool new helipad. Thank you, Pete, for that. And Popeye wants to chase, so I'm going to get this in the air quickly and let Popeye chase it. Okay, now this is non-altitude hold. Its throttle is a little sensitive, so I'm trying to get it at a good hover for Popeye to have some fun, because it's been a while since he's been up here chasing. Red is the front. Oh man, the throttle is very, very sensitive. And you'll notice that I don't have any FPV action, no camera action going on right now. That camera was total junk. It did not want to plug in very well, and it wouldn't mount to the bottom of the drone. I didn't have anything to mount that, so I don't think this is going to be anything that you guys are going to want to buy, but we do like to test this stuff just to save you money when we can. The lights on the bottom look pretty cool, but the rates are really low. The throttle's sensitive, watch. Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah. Let me do that one more time, because it actually could have gone a bit further. Let's try this one more time. 3, 2, 1. Very awesome on the throttle. Okay, now that's not good.
Oh gosh, goodbye.
I have absolutely no control. That was weird. It was like its gyro wasn't happy that I was a little sideways. I had to increase the rates just to get it to come back to us. See if Popeye can get us now. No, you guys don't want to buy this, trust me. It's not great. It looks kind of neat. I like the tri-bladed props, but that's about all it has going on for it. There's our highest rate, and we are very sensitive now on the pitch. Let's see about that throttle one more time.
Popeye's not even that interested in it.
No, I don't like that. When you let off the throttle and it tips a little bit, the gyro gets confused and it starts darting off in the direction that it was leaning, thinking that's level.
Does it have a flip button?
Let's see if it does.
Take it up in the sky.
It says locking route.
Locking route.
I think that's headless mode. Yes, it is.
I'll turn that off.
So the top right button is locking route. There's nothing labeled for flips, but there is everything else. No.
Well, where'd you go? Okay.
No, 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 no. No
Clicking
flips.
sticks?
No, no. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
okay.
look at the wife knowing how to
Clicking
fly
the right
drones.
stick. Oh, you're right. Okay, let's see if we can do. I know what you want me to do here.
Oh no, you
Oh
broke it.
no.
You broke
Oh,
it.
there it goes. Yeah, I'm in the process of breaking it. Let's try this one more time.
I don't think it's gonna let you.
No. Everyone knows what we're trying to do. Okay. Oh, I got two flips. And that was a struggle. Let's try one more time. That was slow. Oh, no. Come on, free flips. It's got a really, there we go.
Jeez,
yeah, that was like 3 or 4 maybe.
perfect.
Okay, here we go. One more time. I do not like that beep. I'm sorry. Let's do it over here. Oh.
It's really hard to get it right.
Oh no, it's flying away.
Oh, goodbye. Oh, man.
Oh, no.
It's gone! Oh, there's no way. If he gets that back, I'll be amazed. It seems to be like, I mean, if you guys can see it out there now, it's like toilet bowling, dropping toward Death Valley. Oh man. This is terrible. And now it's going out toward the power lines. Now he's running. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. He's waving. That is only the second drone we've ever lost. And the first one was me. So that's Nathan's first flyaway.
Thank you very much.
Did it go down? Did you see it go down?
Yeah, it's gone. Here, buddy, it's gone.
Popeye's still looking for it.
Poor little guy.
He doesn't understand where it went. Where'd he
Down in
go?
Death Valley.
He went down into the oh my gosh. Popeye, what are you doing?
Come on, it's gone.
He doesn't.
Oh.
He's going down in there.
Oh, he's trying to go get it. Okay, let's wrap this up really quickly. Don't buy this drone. This is my first flyaway. I've flown like 1,000 drones.
Second ever on the channel.
Oh, it's in Death Valley. We call it Death Valley for a reason. Luckily, it was a $35 drone. I tried everything I could. It was flying up. I killed the throttle, and I just made sure it went down, and it did.
It's way out there.
In the far corner in Death Valley. Hope that was fun to watch. Give us a thumbs up if you like the flyaway.
I thought it was fun to watch.
We need a thumbs up to recoup from that. Sorry, buddy. He's so sad because
He
the
is
drone
sad. He doesn't understand.
I'm sorry. That's the first. You want to try to get it back?
What's that? I don't want that.
Sorry, guys. That's, oh. Man, I don't even know what to say.
Well, obviously, don't buy that drone.
Yeah.
That's Nathan's first flyaway.
Ever.
Thousands of drones flown under his belt. I've had one flyaway too. And there's just nothing you can do. It's just poor craftsmanship. That's it.
That was horrible. The range was really bad. Those were actually brand new batteries in the transmitter. The range was horrible. Probably some of the worst range I've ever seen. Attop A25.
Every single thing we've had from them
so
is
far,
basically junk.
all junk. The little micro indoor drone, its gyro was way off. This one was way off. I was trying to have a little bit of fun with it, just to have fun being out here today. And, you know, have a little
beautiful
fun
weather.
Beautiful weather, but that was a flyaway, and that is very scary when that happens. That's why we fly here at the airfield, in case that type of thing happens. It's not going to hurt anybody when it comes down. Please do your best to fly responsibly. Mistakes happen. I've flown tons, hundreds, probably at least 1,000 drones, and that's never happened before, but it can happen to anybody. So if you've ever crashed a drone, if you've ever had one fly away, don't beat yourself up. I'm not too sad about it. It's part of the hobby. Fortunately for me, it wasn't a super expensive drone. Just stay positive, get out there, enjoy the hobby. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do me a big favor. We've noticed that the subscription notification thing isn't working very well. Just check and make sure you're subscribed. Check and make sure you got those notifications on and they're working. And while you're at it, click the little thumbs up button, help us out. That thing flew away, stupid drone. Attop is one of the worst drone companies we have ever seen. We'll have a link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.